Namaskar, myself Sanjay Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor, Jagannath Institute of Education, James Tech, Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Topic is ICT based teaching learning approaches in schools and the subject understanding discipline and subjects. Major ICT based teaching learning approaches. Computer aided instruction CAI. In CAI, computer software tend to replace the teacher or helps the learners to get instructions itself. Computer aided learning CAL, application of computer associated software as learning resource to the learners or supports the teaching learning process. Computer aided assessment, application of computer associated software or both formative and summative assessment of the students. Computer aided record keeping CARC. Microsoft Excel is used to keep records of all the educational activities in educational institutions, and these records are easily converted into graphical presentations. Informative teaching method. This is the classic didactic teaching, providing oral or written explanations rather than demonstrations of matter. Messages and symbols are the key elements of information teaching. Education is done through instruction and explanations. The method is marked as lecturing. Phenomenological teaching method. This method is based on demonstration of phenomena, events, processes. Experiments in chemistry, biology, etc. Observation of natural phenomena, watching everyday events lead to gaining knowledge through events. For example, knowledge is built, absorbed, and interpreted through senses and emotions. Demonstrations, learning through experiments, experiences, learning by doing or through adventure, help, monitoring, discovering, forming experience, making emotional connections to the learned objects, and thus understanding and memorizing the matter. Cooperative teaching method. The cooperative method is very common in all educational institutions to acquire knowledge and skills. This is the teaching in class, but formal learning process requires taking roles, teacher and students, and thus establishes a distance between them. Moreover, often it is more efficient to build smaller groups, 2 to 6 participants, to perform certain tasks. Collaboration allows students to actively participate in learning process, discuss with each other and listen to other points of view. It establishes a personal relationship between students and explored topic, helping to think impartially and from different perspectives. Group projects and discussions are examples of this method of training. Teachers can use the collaboration to access the ability of students to work in team, to present problems of leadership qualities. This is the picture depicting on the x-axis it is showing 0, 40, 80%. Teachers' role when applying ICT in education: yes, no, and partially. Managing learning, the bar showing yes, no, and partially. Structuring units, learning units design, adapting unit, transmitting knowledge, allocating tasks, asking questions, providing additional resources, moderating students' participation, assisting, helping, monitoring and analyzing, more focusing on the students. This is the image and this is the table. Table has the three column: teaching method, sub method, ICT tool. In teaching method, informative, cooperative, and phenomenological making. Informative minding, read, hear, watch. Sub method is didactic teaching and demonstration. In the case of didactic teaching, text, audio, music, song, narration, image, chart, graphics, table, etc., photos, cartoon, interactive board, etc. In the demonstration, image, animation, photo, video clip, comics, movie, audio, sound effect, music, narration, etc. In the case of cooperative, socializing, immersion in a problem, artistic picture, reading, 3D tour film, theater, storytelling, virtual reality, action, making virtual experiment in virtual labs through stimulating of real processes, adventure, remote participation in real process experiments via live internet connection, phenomenological making, observe, reflect, empathize, small groups teaching, all mentioned tools of didactic teaching and phenomenological teaching, communication tool for exchanging information, email, social networking, chat, etc. Peer teaching, all mentioned tools for the didactic teaching demonstration, immersion in problem and action, exchange of information between students, email, social networking, and chat. This comes in peer teaching and class teaching. I hope you can understand the basic concept. Thank you very much.